Power of positive thinking. You are calm and relaxed. You take a breath in and relax more. You hold this breath for a moment and relax even deeper. You relax deeper and deeper. Any negative thoughts you are having, just briefly note their presence and let them pass. Now, imagine a set of stairs. Taking this set of stairs will relax you deeper and deeper. You take the first step and feel weightless. These stairs take you to a place of bliss. It takes you to a place of relaxation. The next step you take doubles your relaxation. These stairs seem to elevate you to a happier mind. These stairs take you beyond your normal day. At the end of these stairs, you will find something exciting and invigorating. You take the next step and are so peaceful. Going up these stairs makes your body feel weightless. Your body moves with ease. Moving up the stairs is as if you were gliding. Now you are at the top of the stairs, and there is a door. The door has a glowing sign that says the word hope. You open the door and enter into a room that transcends any room or office in which you have ever been. This room is full of possibility. There are books of knowledge and wisdom in this room. There are all sorts of comfort. In this room, there are words of positivity. The words float by like a gentle, luminous cloud. The room is a warm and comfortable temperature. It is welcoming to your eyes. In the middle of this room, there is a desk. You sit at this desk and see several decks of cards. You look at one of these decks of cards. Flipping through these cards, you see so many bright and empowering words. The words on the cards glow brightly. One of the cards says the word indomitable. The word indomitable stands for something that cannot be defeated. You have a sense of remaining steadfast as you have journeyed this far in life. You can endure and persevere and succeed. Another card you look at says the word prosperous. You can have a prosperous life full of potentials. You can look at the right places for the right things. Another card says the word limitless. There are no limits on where you can go as you seek to be positive in your life. The next card says the word love. Love is one of the strongest words in the universe. Love can cause healing and help motivate one to move forward in life. The list of words of positive empowerment in these cards continues. You take a few moments to read a few more. Positivity in this life and room are yours. This sets in to your soul as a hopeful promise that tomorrow can and will be a better day. You look around the room at the colorful books and beautiful decorations. You feel the warmth and peace in this room. This room is a wonderful place. This is your room. You can come to this room anytime you want. The words in here remain true in and out of this room. This room is a safe place. It is a sanctum that you can get your positivity any time you need or want it. You relax here in this room. You can come and go as you wish.